Hey, beautiful souls. How are y'all today, the day after Christmas? What's been going on? Did y'all get some nice presents? Did y'all enjoy family, friends? How was it for you? How was it? Okay. And for those that have lost loved ones or holidays are really hard for you, you could have looked at yesterday as a regular day, and that is totally all right. Totally all right. All right, are y'all ready for your divine message? I am. I've already done mine. All right, 2 good messages already come out. Ooh. Yes, baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That one's coming out. All right, we got some good energy going on here. All right, so we have our cards. We have 6 cards. All right. Trust the process. Don't give up. You are in the flow energetically. Connect and listen to your spirit, your inner being. I'll start to say spiritual team. Keep your eyes on the prize, baby. You are making progress. Hey. All right now. Okay. Trust the process. That's hard to do sometimes. Trust the process, especially sometimes when you right there and it feels like you like making like turtle progress. It's like so slow. But you got to trust the process. You just got to trust it. Long as you're doing what you're doing, you got to trust the process. If you ain't doing what you're doing, then you have nothing to put any trust in. Okay? Don't give up. These 2 go hand in hand. Trust the process. So don't give up. Because you are in the flow energetically, baby. Yes. Energetically. Get in the vortex, get in the feeling, and stay there. Okay? Stay there. Stay there. Connect and listen to your inner being. You can't go wrong when you do that. Your inner knowing, your inner being, your instincts, your spiritual team is guiding you. All of that go hand in hand. And keep your eye on the prize. Trust the process. Don't give up. Keeping your eyes on the prize. Those go hand in hand. Because you are making progress, baby. You're making progress. I mean, trust the process. You're making progress. This is at the beginning. This is at the end. So that means you're making progress. Trust it. Trust the process because you are making progress. Trust the process because you are making progress. That's the way you end that. So don't give up. Don't give up. You're making progress, okay? Stay in that energetic flow. Stay in that vortex. You are making progress. Don't give up. That breakthrough be right. That's when it get hard. It gets hard. Like the breakthrough be right around the corner, and that's when it gets so hard. Like you just like, I want to give up. I can't take it no more. And bam, that breakthrough comes through, and you made it. You made it. So don't give up. Keep your eye on the prize because that breakthrough is coming. It's coming. It's coming. Just make sure that you are doing your part, then surrender and let go. You've done your part, surrender and let go. That's all you can do. This is a great message. This is a message, a cheer on. It's a cheer on because you done put in the work. You done put in the work. There's nothing more that you need to do but just stay in the flow, okay? Stay in the flow. There's nothing more you can do but just do that. But whatever you do, don't give up, okay? Because you are making progress. It's going to be done. It's going to be finished here soon. So hold on. Because we're going into 2026, year 1. The meek shall inherit the earth. We're building a new earth, guys. Year number 9. Close out all those karmic, negative cycles, energies in your life. Because we're heading to year 1, new beginnings. Year 9 it's like that's coming to like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's the last number. Close it on out. Close it on out. All right. So write this message down. Speak it, believe it, rescript your life. And and believe. Have faith. Believe and know that good things are coming to you in 2026. Okay? Good things are coming your way. All right? All right. I am Cassandra Bethea Shine, and it is through our voices and stories that we can help or inspire others to become survivors. And keep on sounding the silence in domestic violence. Okay? These messages are for encouragement, inspiration, because they are geared to people affected by domestic violence, and to know that you can push through anything, depression, anxiety, scarcity, fear, the unknowing. So that's what I'm here to do, is encourage. You got to do your own work, but I'm just here to encourage you, and hopefully you are inspired to put in the work, what you need to do to get out of your situation if you are in a situation in real time. If you are a family member such as I have been, that you just keep your spirit up and keep moving and pushing. And survivors that are recently or even beyond their crisis, that they stay inspired so they can help others through their stories and voices. All right, y'all have a beautiful day.